Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to add and manage Siri for the headphones Skullcandy Rail. You have to start by open Skullcandy application. Now go to button settings and now you should choose what tab you will use. I will use single press, so I'll stay right here, but if you wanna use triple press you can go here and choose it here. So scroll down. Oh, and also you wanna choose the left one or right one earbud for this gesture. I prefer left one, so I stayed here. Then scroll down and click on Activate Phone's Assistant. Now, if I press one time on my left earbud, I will call Siri. Hi Siri, how are you? And as you can see, it's working. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.